In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit by dYdX, ticker symbol dYdX in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're on this screen, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're there, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, scroll down a tiny little bit until you come across trending categories. Then once you're there, press on crypto. Then on this screen, scroll down until you come across dYdX or ticker symbol dYdX. They're the exact same thing. So right here for me, it says dYdX right there. So I'll press on dYdX and then press on buy. Now to change it from a market buy to a limit buy, go to the top, press on market buy, and then go where it says limit buy and press on limit buy. On this screen now, type in the highest price you're willing to pay for dYdX. So as of right now, for me, it's at $2.58. If I wanted to make my highest price a little bit lower, I will go $2.50, for example, but it can be whatever price you want. Then press on continue. Then type in the amount of money you wish to invest into dYdX. I will just do $3 for this example, then press on continue. Then on this screen, if you want to confirm your order, press on confirm order now by the end of the day. If the order is not fulfilled, so the price never reaches that point that you set, the money will just be placed back into your account like nothing ever happened. So that is how you guys can limit by dYdX, ticker symbol dYdX in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.